Hey guys, welcome to Efficient User. This is my first video log. Today we are going to make it as a coding video log. So in short form we call it is vlog 01. Today we are going to create a code machine. Where this idea comes from? Actually, I've been part of this course in the free code camp. So today we are going to build this random code machine. So today is the task. So what is the user story? So there is a two user story. When I click a button to show me a new random code, so we have to create a one button which would generate a random code. The base story is like we can create libraries or APIs whatever we need, and we have to add some personal style. The third requirement is I can press a button to tweet out code. Okay, we have to create a tweet button. So ultimately we are going to use this CodePen editor. So let's get started. It's time to go to CodePen. Yeah. Okay. Let me create a new pen. So I think I'm going to use this HTML box and JSS mostly. I will use this CSS for adding my to list kind of things. So first I need a API which will give codes for us. And what library I can choose, like okay, for simple I can use jQuery for today. And the third requirement or something like this, to add personal styles, so I will use material CSS. And we need a new button to generate code. And one more disclaimer is you guys will hear some background noises, so this is my disclaimer. Okay, the next button is tweet button. Okay, for this we need a API which triggers. Okay, API codes free. Hmm. Yeah, we got version 4.0. Yeah, quite good. Let's see what's be there. API version 4.0. Oh, they gave some examples. Yeah. Uh, okay, they are using jQuery kind of things. A simple example, I think we can get this thing. I just copied. Okay, this is JavaScript, so we need a jQuery for this. Okay, let me put a jQuery CDN. jQuery CDN. Okay, what we are going to do is we are just going to do a CDN link in our post. Will copy work? Yeah, let's try that. I'm going to put in a HTML. Oh, copy didn't work. These guys. Okay, I just copied this link and paste. Yeah, it's pasted. So now I'm going to make a like a dollar document dot ready. I have created a function which should run during the start of loading the HTML. So I'm going to paste this content. Basically, it is going to do get JSON. Okay, let's minimize this so that we can get some spaces to view. Okay, so I'm going to delete this. Yeah, it's good. Okay, ultimately it should display the codes here. What it is doing is appending the code in the body tag. What's went wrong? Check in the console. Go to console. Uh, it's showing page at HTTPS, but the code's in HTTP. Okay, let's check what went wrong. Okay, their site's in HTTPS, but they have provided an example in HTTP. Okay, let's put the test magic HTTPS, so it will automatically reload. Yeah, we got some codes now. Okay, so there is a code now. let's add some styling so that it will look a little bit good. Okay, as I said earlier, I'm going to do material CSS. Okay, let's close this jQuery CDN and these things. Material CSS. This is really good, guys. Just go and check this thing. Okay, let me go to this. Get started. I can get that material CSS CDN. Okay, what I need right now is okay. I'll just see. So basically, we got this. Okay, we got the jQuery script, compiled and modified CSS, and compiled and modified JavaScript. So the text is changed now. You can see the font, right? Yeah. So instead of showing it in a full page, I'm going to create a HTML body for this. HTML body. Forget about this head and all. So it will be like just a quick this thing. So I'm going to create a div with a container class and a div with the what it is yeah, section. So this is like called Emmet background this thing. So I'm creating these views in hierarchical div and body sections. When I press tab, you can see it's get created automatically, right? Okay, I just need something. I need this div as a class. Yeah, this is fine now. So what I'm going to do is instead of putting this text in the body thing, I'm going to put in a div. Okay, let me create a div with id new. Okay, let's make it as quote. So instead of pasting this content, I'm going to make this hash quote. You just paste this content in the code this thing. Yeah, because of this container and section, our content is displaying in the center of part. So what we need right now, we need a button. So where can we place the button? Here, center, or right side? Okay, for that I'm planning to create a code which is quick handy. So let's go to this component. We have codes here. Okay, I think this is fine. This codes and all. I'll just copy this. So when I paste that thing here, we'll create a code. Where is the code? So we have a code here. So in this thing, I don't need this title right now. So let's take it off. And I'm going to make this as id equal to quote. So I'm going to remove the upper div now. Delete. Okay. So the code is ready now. Like instead of this black theme, I'm going to remove this content. Blue, gray, darken. I don't need anything. Just I took this off. So the text went wrong. Okay, we already gave white text. I'm going to remove that. Code content. So by default, the content is this thing. So previously we had some random text. So I'm going to take it off. So I have a empty paragraph tag. So I made it as a quote ID. So we are appending when the document is newly loaded. Okay, some big quote is loaded since. So instead of we have did something like copying the code codes and put it here. So actually we did only 3 tags, which is a class code. Code is the outer layer, and the second is code title. We just made it as a empty, and we have created a paragraph tag. So instead of this link instead of I'm going to create a button. So what a button? It will be like a button. Its class name is button, I guess. Yeah, we got it. Okay, we got it. Okay, what a button it should be named. We make it as new code. Okay, I think you guys are not seeing me properly. Okay, I'm getting this same code again and again. Okay, let's make our a little bit this thing. I think this callback we should set it to something else. Like we make it as a random text. So instead of random text, I'm going to use random text. I'm creating a new variable. So for random this thing, I think we can do this. I'm creating a data variable, which is I'm going to do is like to IO string. IO string is like a minute, seconds, and microseconds, and there will be kind of things. So I'm going to append this random text. Oh, I get it. Okay. So I'm going to do this like appending this text. So whenever things happen, it will get from internet, right? Oh, something went wrong. What went wrong? Let's check the console. Oh, no, it's already there. My internet is a little bit slow. It showed a slow internet or something. So what we are going to do now? We are going to give some actions to this button. I make it as ID. Okay, let's give the same name, new code. So I'm going to copy this ID and put those things here. So our things is handled here. I'm creating a new action, which is like I'm going to paste this ID and I'm going to make this a click action. So whenever the button is clicked, we need to do something. Okay, what can we do? For this, I'm going to surround this getJSON property in a method. Okay, yeah, that's cool. We can make it as get codes data. So I'm going to cut this part and paste it here. So now the code will not load because we surrounded it with this thing. So in the first initial load, we have to call the function. So it will get called and we'll grab the text from that. Yeah, we got it. So let's come back to our new code button. So we need to make like a call the function inside this new get codes. Yeah, we got these codes. So if I click new button, oh, it's not happening. Okay, I got it. Like it's appending the content. So instead of appending, I'm going to make this HTML. Actually, we can put like text itself, but we have this paragraph tag, so we need this thing. So if I click new code, it will what it will do. It's not happening. Yeah. Okay, it's fine now. So when I click new code, no, I think it's getting the same code over and over. Our thing is not okay because the random text variable is outside the function. This local scope and global scope. Yeah, I'm just copying those thing and put it here. Yeah, then the variable is inside the method. So whenever the function is getting called, it will get the new text. So let's click the new button. Yeah, we are getting new codes right now. Yeah, some big codes. Okay, let's add some icon here like new code. So a little bit good. Okay, we don't have to do much things. You can go here. Yeah, click icons. Yeah, internet please load fast. Yeah, we need this CDN of material icons. I'm going to paste it top of the point after my script. Yeah, so I need a icon now. Okay, I copy this and place between my button. Does it looks good? No, it's not good actually. Okay, the icon is not displaying in the proper place. Okay, I think there is another thing like icons in button itself. Let's try that. Yeah, like this we need my icon to be. Yeah, okay, I should make it like a classes material icon. Okay, we'll copy this and there is my content. Oh, it's here. I paste it here. Duplicate it. Yeah. Instead of load, I need a random icon. Let's make it as a shuffle. Shuffle. Is it loading? Yeah, it's there. I don't need this ad now. These things. Yeah, quite good. So when I click new code, it will load the new code. So then we need a tweet button. Okay, make it as a T. So it will format my code. So here is my button. I will copy this to make a duplicate. Okay, I think I can make something else. Okay, no problem. Let's make it. So I think there will be a tweet kind of thing. Tweet. That tweet icon. I think we have to remove this ID. What went wrong now? Okay, let's make this a rename too. Okay, let's type material icon tweet. No, yeah, it's here. I think. Should I can try Twitter? I'm not sure about the name right now. Okay, in the meantime, we can. The video is already going wrong. We can make it as like a share. Yeah, it's look good now. So when you click Twitter button, it should tweet the text. So we can make a tweet button. Create a tweet button. The Twitter documentation will be really good. So we can get those things from Twitter official documentation to create this tweet button. So where it is tweet creation flow. Add how to add a tweet button to your website. Okay, this is just a tweet button. We need this code to be appended in our tweet. Yeah, that's right. I think this is fine. What here they did made like Ashraf intended tweet. They mentioning what will be the text. Here they mentioned hello world. So instead of the hello world, we can make it as our things. Okay, let's copy this and put it in our pen. So in this place, we need to do this, right? No, we don't need this feed now. Ultimately what we are doing is like okay, we need to make it like tweet. So when this tweet button is clicked, we have to open our window or that text in a new tab, right? So let me create a ID for this. Okay, what it should be like a tweet. Oh, already spelling mistake. So what it will do now, it won't have anything to open. Yeah, oops. I put the target in icon actually. Let's put it here. Okay, did it refresh? Yeah, it's refreshed now. So if you click tweet now, okay, it's making like a hello world. You can see this guy. It's me. Okay, let me post this. Let's close this. Okay, so we need to replace this href link with our codes actually. Okay, So ultimately we need this text and we have to append the text here. Okay, I have one idea. Like while generating this code itself, we can append the things to our share button. So what did I name here? Okay, we can name it something else. ID equal to share. Okay, this is the ID. Oh, it's saying how to save. Yeah, I save it, man. Dollar. What's already share? Oh, we have to put hash dot. Actually, we have to set it as attribute, right? Yeah, it is your chuck. So it will be hash rough. So the content will be right. Am I doing properly? No, I'm not doing properly. I guess. Yeah, this is fine. So we need this text. I'm going to make a concatenation. Okay, let's paste this content. Okay, I don't need this right now. And this is fine. Let's click our tweet button now. No, something went wrong. Hash of. Let's click our new code again and click tweet. Let's see the console what we have did. I think we have made some messed up with this content. We have made an concatenation. Okay, instead of this concatenation symbol, I'm just going to put it as. Okay, let's click tweet now. Yeah, it's loading. Actually, it seems it is having the paragraph tag in the API itself. Okay, let's remove that. We don't have this thing, so we can make it as like a replace. Okay, we have to make it like a text. Tag, paragraph tag with null, and yeah, we can cascading the same thing to remove the. Okay. So the code is having the paragraph tag, and we have to remove that from our script. Okay, let me make it 10. Okay, if you click it now, yeah, it's pretty good now, right? Okay, I'm going to close the right things. Okay, I think we have made a new code and a share button. Why don't we add a header so that it will look a little bit good? Okay, and again I need to make it like material things. Oh, it's going to material CSS. That is, yeah, here it is. I'm going to do the component. What's that header thing? Yeah, navbar. Navbar is like a big fish bar, I'll say, in the upper of our documentation. Okay, in this part I just need this part because I'm just going to give the name only instead of these things. I'll put it where, yeah, I can put it here, right? So I need to close. Are you seeing this? Yeah, it's happening, it's happening, it's happening. So instead of this logo, I'm just going to make like a code generator. Oh, spelling mistake. This is fine. Yeah, I think we can stop it here itself. Let's save it and see in a fresh window. And I think, yeah, this is fine. Change view. I will make it like a full view what it is happening. So there is a code generator. If we click new code, it's showing a random code. because every person knows what he likes. Every person thinks he is an expert on user interface. Actually, this code mentioning my UI. Okay, whatever it is, let me click the tweet. So there it is. Okay, let me tweet whether it is happening properly. Yeah, it's went on. Let me check whether it's posted. So this is my Twitter handle, by the way. Yeah, it's happened because every person knows what he likes. Every person thinks he's an expert of user interface. Actually, it's a cool to me, I think. Okay, I think we have completed this task. What are the things like user story? You can use whatever libraries. Okay, we did create a button to make like a new random code. Yeah, and one more thing is like create a button to fit the code. Yeah, we did those things. Okay, I'm just going to copy this link and make it like I have completed this. Yeah, okay, we can paste the link here. I have pasted, submit and next challenge. Woohoo, we are done. Oh, next challenge is to create a local weather app. Okay, that's will be a vlog too maybe. Okay, thanks for the patience and watching this, guys. And you can comment whatever you think about this. Thanks for your support.